Hi, my lovely viewers. It is the next part of the Python operators, and the part will be start this. Python logical operators. What kinds of operator? And, or similar, either true or false. It reveals. That is the called the logical operators. X is equal to 5. So x is greater than 3 and x is less than 10. That means 5 value. It will have 3 between 10. It is true. Yeah, it's true because 5 is present 3 to 10. That's why it's true. Then x is greater than 3 or x is less than 4. It is true or false? It is false because 5 is out of uh, 3 between 4. That's why it's true. Then next, not sign. That means x is greater than 3, condition false, and x is less than 10, also condition false. In these things are true. Okay, then it's added not, then it's false. That's why it reveals the false condition or false result. Then Python identity operators. Identity, there have some kinds of identity value. What have x is reveal x carry this value, y carry this value, x is equal to z is equal to x. So in print section, print, if we give the x is z condition, we apply the condition that it is true or false. It's true. That means x and z is equal to, obviously it is true. Then the x is y, x value and y value, it is, that means, is it? No, this is not. Then the print x is equal to y. That means x value, what kinds of value hold, and y what that kinds of value hold, that is similar or not. That's why it is same. That's why it is revealed true value. It is the is operator or is sign. Then again is not. What? X, y, z carry the same value. Print x is not z. That means z is equal to x. It is not. Reveal. No, this is the same. That's why it falls. Here we declare not. But it is same. This is reveal false. Then again, x is not y. No, that is not. That's why it's true. So x is not is equal to y. So what it's reveal? It false. So Python membership operators. What is the definition of Python membership operators? So operators are used to test whether a value or variable is found in a sequence such as string, list, tuple, and set. There are two membership operators in Python. What is? Two things, in and not in. True, if both operand refer to the same object, operand refer to the same object, then it reveals the true value. So, and the next, not in, true, if a value is not found in the sequence. So, in this way, X, Aisha, Akhtar, we separate the comma. Then print Akhtar in X. That means Aisha is present the X variable. Yeah, it's true. That's why it given the true variable, result. True result. Next, cat. That means cat not in X. That's why X what kinds of value carry in X variable. Here cat is not present. Also the true value it revealed. That's why is not in, but ultimately true. That means cat value is not presented in the X variable. Then the last thing is Python bitwise operator. Before we discuss that bitwise operator what is, so If we print this result, here is 3, that means 7 binary value, and the 3 binary value. If we add, then it reveals the 3, as well as no, OR operator, XOR operator. If we revise the 3 binary number, then the first 6 will be happen 1, and the second one, double 1, is reveal the or reverse the 2. And if we do the binary to decimal, then it will reveal the -4. Again, the now the left shift operator, 3 binary sign this and this value, and left sign will value the 2 1 is shift after 2 digit this way, and that this decimal value is revealed the 12. Here the result is 12. As well as the right shift, 8 binary number is this, and it shifting 2 value, here 10, it will comes to the last digit, and the whole things reveals binary to decimal. It's called 2, or it reveal 2. That's why it reveal 2. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.